How to fix speaker sound too low on Android. Here's the fix. This tutorial shows you how to boost and fix low speaker volume on your Android device. First, grab your Android device and press the volume up button on the side to make sure the media volume isn't manually turned down. After that, open the Settings app on your device. From there, tap on Sounds and Vibration. At this point, tap on Volume to see all the individual volume sliders. In the next step, drag the media volume slider all the way to the right to maximize it. Following this, do the same for the ringtone and system volume sliders as well. Once done, scroll down and look for an option called Sound Quality or Equalizer settings, depending on your device. From here, make sure no sound limiting features are turned on. At this stage, go back to the main settings and search for Do Not Disturb and make sure it is completely turned off as it can suppress audio. After this, also check if your device is connected to a Bluetooth speaker or headphones, as audio may be routing there instead of your phone speaker. Once completed, go back to your home screen and play any video or music to test if the speaker volume has improved. Finally, if the speaker still sounds muffled, try cleaning the speaker grill gently with a dry toothbrush to remove any dust or debris blocking the sound. And that's it! If this Android tip helped you fix your low speaker volume, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.